Hello. A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it.
That's some Quentin Tarantino directing right there. Cinematography.
Boogity boogity! Welcome back to another episode of Fab Town. Today we have my dear friends Axel and Watson. Me and Harry here are a couple car guys. You know, we do some car stuff. We got some car experience. Axel, however, not a lick.
No.
Not a thing. So we're gonna get him underneath the Jzx90 and replace the broken differential, which, by the way, Jzx90, if you missed the last video, is broken. We're gonna get that diff out, get the IS300 diff in, then we're gonna start swapping the new transmission in, and then hopefully, maybe tomorrow or Sunday, we go for some rips and we take this boy out up in the mountains. Axel, how tight are those bolts?
Tight as a dolphin's butthole, bro.
Dolphin-type buttholes?
Watertight, bro.
Watertight dolphin buttholes?
Dude, this shit is fucking...
You only know because you lick them. The new proud owner of a Nissan. Woo! There we go. Jacob bought the Z. He's out there working on it right now. There's no free lunches around here. Oh, I like that face. Look at that cigarette in his mouth.
Yeah.
Trying to get this here. Axle bugs out.
I can't get that out.
Oh, don't round it off.
Oh my goodness.
Harry, what's your predictions? How long do you think this is going to take? Quite a long time. Those butt cheeks. Just working hard over there. Like I said, Axel doesn't really work on cars. So this is kind of like having your friends that don't work on cars and then you force them to do work for you. That's pretty much what we're doing. It's pretty fantastic. Yeah. Jesus fuck. I gotta go down more. Not all the way. Oh! Wanted that one bad. I wanted her bad. We did it.
Yep.
It's out.
It's out.
Me and Harry did a lot more than we thought we were gonna. But she was being a little feisty there towards the end. So we had to give her the old college try. Beat her facing, you know. We're gonna open up this diff cover and see how bad this thing is actually fucking destroyed. Harry, your predictions? I think the ring gear is in pieces.
Yeah, from what you were saying, it sounds like the thing's gonna be powder in there.
Well, let's do it. Let's do it to it. Yeah, this little snap-on does not bad.
There it is.
Oh! Oh Lord!
There's chunks.
Oh Lordy!
I thought it was gonna be a little bit more powdery.
Oh, she's so broke.
No, you broke it, honey. You like really broke it.
She exploded.
Yeah, she did some tiny pieces.
Oh God.
Oh God!
Don't break it.
Alright, spin it here.
Just oil's coming out of it. Nothing's really coming out, dear.
It's there we go.
It's still sticking on shit.
That's impressive. Jesus! Oh my God! There's more chunks.
It's got a very unique flavor to it, though. That's
Overall impressions?
Fantastic.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, 10.
I'd give it a 4.
I don't know if you guys missed out, but we skipped a bunch of shit. And now we're drinking beers and doing burnouts. Jzx axle is no bueno. It's seized in the hub. Get the IS300 diff in it. The Torsen diff is exploded, as you guys saw. And now we're just enjoying the evening. We need some Bernies in this.
You need an RB power?
I need some RB Bernies.
Okay.
Up in this motherfucker. Get after it, my boy. a little bit of fire.
I hope not.
You're on fire.
It was mostly on fire.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I made that.
Oh yeah, I made
Oh, she glowing. Come look at this fucking thing. This thing's glowing like a mother.
Daniel.
I made that. That's high quality.
Damn, Daniel's
When,
on.
when you can make shit and it holds up to that.
Oh yeah, that's where my dump truck was.
No, it's like it was like
Oh,
the red head.
like it was flashing.
Oh, you better eat their
I
butt.
was like, is it
Let's get chalky.
Chalk,
Chalky.
Chalk City.
Clam bake. Fucking clam bake.
Ham bake.
Ham bake.
Look at Watson. He fits right in with all my people.
Skirt, skirt. We got this.
Skirt, skirt, motherfucker.
All right, who's hooking it up? Not me.
Hold this can.
It's like his first time hooking up a car for a burnout.
X has never ate a Hebrew national hot dog. He's trying to talk shit over here.
I like Sabrettes, you fuck.
Yeah, Sabrettes.
Sabrettes.
Yeah.
Natural casing.
It's like the
Sabrettes.
semi-Jew hot dog.
Half kosher. Half kosher. Goddamn.
What a pussy.
Yeah.
I won that. I won that, boy. I won that. That's both wheels. Both wheels spun that.
You didn't even blow her.
Hey, bullshit, boy. Bullshit.
This is what we call a clam bake.
You didn't even blow her. Hey, go back and fast. Try again.
Thought it was pop tires or blown motor.
That's what I said. Neither happened.
Neither.
What a chug. He did it.
I won. Where's
Okay.
my money?
You redeemed yourself.
That's a fucking baloney skin.
It's alright, I brought the bag.
Straight off the
Blew the baloney skins off it.
Give it a little taste.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Trophy. Not only one, but two. It's not a one-wheel peel. Twice the fun. That's a win.
You know what you call that in the biz?
That's a win.
If you double stuffed.
That's a win.
Yeah, double nutted.
That's a win.
I'll give it to you. All right, my boy. It's time to go home.
No, yeah.
What do you think? It was a good evening.
This is fun.
This is gonna wrap up today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment below whether or not Axel has small bulls. He's got small bows.
He won that contest. Comment below.
Let us know who won the burnout. It was obviously me.
Comment below.
We'll see you guys again real soon.
Next time I see you, hold me